Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending 3/24/2019. This was the play on CVS on Friday morning 3/22. The play was based on a 60-minute DTS sell setup, entry advanced, and the management advanced reward to risk 1.8 to 1. This trade lasted, the back half of it lasted until about noon. As usual, let me remind you of the free stuff coming up this week. There's a lot of free stuff this week. Monday is going to be the bi-weekly scanning night. Wednesday is going to be the market letter review day. This is the review day for the DTS market letter, but everyone's invited to it. And Friday is going to be that half-day seminar. This is the actual first part of the seminar program, but I invite everyone to attend the first half-day, the Introduction to Mastering Technical Analysis. If you're a member, you're all set. You will get invites. If you're not a member, stop by the homepage of DTS and you'll see a little spot where you can sign up to become a free member. This is the daily chart of CVS. This is on Friday. You're seeing the daily chart before the play was taken as of Thursday night. The daily chart caught my interest because of this consolidation that was right here, and that is how it looked after the play, going back to the bottom. More clearly seen on the 60-minute chart, because this was labeled as a 60-minute DTS sell setup. This is a major resistance area that formed on the 60-minute chart. The daily chart was downtrending, so this makes this a very nice setup to me. And right in there was the concept to short the next day. That's how it looked after the end of that day. Let's take a look at the 1-minute chart to get the precise entry, because this happened the opening minutes of the day. There's the 1-minute chart, and you can see the stock had opened right in there, and the short was taken just as we were in the middle of that second bar right there. Entry under 57.10, stop over 57.50, and the stock went sideways, as you can see, for about 12-13 minutes and then finally dropped. I did a good job taking targets. Target 1 was taken on that wide bar going into the second reversal time, 56.82. And then let's switch over to the 5-minute chart to get a little better perspective of what the whole thing looks like, because that 1-minute chart only takes you till about 10:15. So here's the 5-minute chart, where it opened and the entry point. And again, for perspective, there's target 1, and then target 2 I took just going into noon as it bounced off that area. It made one slightly lower low, but a really good job on targets, I think. All done by noon CVS on one of my favorite type of setups. Simple. The setup is simple, but it takes some understanding to know which of these are going to work. I see so many people who email me trying to duplicate one of the Trade of the Week videos, and they are just, in my mind, so far off from what I'm doing because they're not understanding the concepts that go into this. So be careful if you try this on your own. This seems very simple the way I explain it, but yet there's a lot of understanding that goes into what happens here. People in the seminar program understand exactly what I'm looking at, but it is not difficult. It takes some time to understand fully though. As always, these trades are done in the DTS trading room, where we come in prepared with watch lists and organize the morning and try to get the best plays out the door fairly quickly in the first hour or so of the day. Spend the rest of the day managing and possibly come back to see if there are additional plays during lunchtime. If you're interested, stop by the website and you can take a trial to the DTS trading room. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.